Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, eastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., thunderstorms were located over Cary, Volo, and Antioch, and were moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Oakwood Hills, Wakonda, Fox River Grove, Barrington, Fox Lake, Hawthorne Woods, Round Lake Beach, Haynesville, Pistachey Highlands, Grays Lake, Gurnee, Channel Lake, Tower Lakes, Round Lake Heights, Vernon Hills, Buffalo Grove, Libertyville, Russell, Wadsworth, Volo, Round Lake, Long Lake, Third Lake, and Lake Catherine. For your protection, maintain your room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio,